Canva has just shaken up the AI world with the launch of Magic Studio. Magic Studio is an all-in-one AI design platform that can help you easily create designs, presentations, videos, generate AI images, edit images, and more. In this video, I will show you how to use the best 10 Canva AI features in a quick and easy way. Some of these features are only available to Canva Pro users, but don't worry, you can try Canva Pro for 30 days for free using the link in this video description. So, let's get started and create something amazing with AI. Part 1, Canva AI for Design. To create a design, you no longer need to create it manually or use boring templates. Now, you can ask AI to generate whatever style and look you want. From the Canva home screen, click the Magic Studio menu and select Magic Design. Part 2, Canva AI for Presentation. From the Magic Studio dashboard, click the Magic Design for Presentation option. Click the Try Magic Design button to continue. Canva AI will automatically generate 2 basic presentation pages for you. Part 3, Canva AI for Video. Now, let's use the Magic Design AI to create a video for us. From the Magic Studio menu, click the Magic Design for Video option. Click the Try Magic Design button to continue. Part 4, Canva Text to Image. Canva has also upgraded its AI image generator and will soon release its text to video generator. From the Magic Studio dashboard, select the Text to Image option. Click the Try It Out button to continue. Part 5, Canva AI Background Remover. This AI function is designed to automatically remove the background from your photo, allowing you to easily make variations to your image. Open the photo you want to remove the background from in the Canva editor. Part 6, Canva AI Object Remover. This AI function is designed to remove unwanted objects from your photo. Open the photo you want to edit in the Canva editor. With your photo selected, click the Edit Photo button, and choose the Magic Eraser option. The pointer will change to a brush tool. Part 7, Canva AI Magic Expand. Just like in Midjourney or Adobe Photoshop AI, this function is used to expand your image into a larger or wider version. Open the photo you want to edit in the Canva editor. Part 8, Canva AI Magic Edit. This AI function is designed to edit or replace any object in a photo with another or a new AI object. Open the photo you want to edit in the Canva editor. With your photo selected, click the Edit Photo button, and choose the Magic Edit option. Part 9, Canva AI Magic Grab. This AI function is designed to detach objects from your photo, allowing you to move, resize, or reposition them to another place in the photo. Open the photo you want to edit in the Canva editor. Part 10, Canva AI Grab Text. This AI feature is designed to detach any text from your photo so you can make edits or remove the text if needed. Open the photo you want to edit in the Canva editor. With your photo selected, click the Edit Photo button, and choose the Grab Text option. Thank you for watching this AI tutorial video. Don't forget to check out another artificial intelligence video on our YouTube channel. See you. Thanks for watching.